Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're diving into a true gem of American automotive history, the 1967 Plymouth Sport Fury Convertible. A perfect blend of full-size luxury and muscle car vibes, the Sport Fury was Plymouth's answer to the booming personal luxury market of the late 60s. So buckle up as we explore its iconic exterior, plush interior, raw performance, and what makes it a timeless classic. Exterior. The 1967 model year brought a fresh facelift to the Plymouth Fury lineup. The Sport Fury Convertible was the top-tier offering, and it shows. Up front, the full-width grille with quad headlamps gives the car a bold, commanding look. The long, sculpted hood and crisp body lines stretch across a 121-inch wheelbase, giving it a balanced, elegant stance. Around back, you'll see horizontal wraparound taillights and just the right amount of chrome, not too flashy, but definitely stylish. This car rolls on 14-inch Magnum 500 wheels wrapped in whitewall tires, keeping that vintage vibe alive. And of course, the power-operated convertible top adds both luxury and flair. Top down, it's a head-turner at any cruise night. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with classic late 60s comfort and charm. The bucket seats are wide and plush, wrapped in vinyl or optional leather grain upholstery. The center console comes with a floor-mounted shifter, emphasizing the sport in Sport Fury. Instrumentation is clean and functional, with a wide speedometer, fuel, temperature, and optional tachometer. You'll find wood grain accents on the dash and door panels, a nice upscale touch for the time. Air conditioning, AM/FM radio, and even power windows were available options, making this a very well-appointed cruiser. Now, let's talk muscle. The Sport Fury could be optioned with a range of engines, from the base 318 cubic inch V8 all the way up to the fire-breathing 440 Super Commando. This particular model is running the legendary 383 cubic inch V8, producing around 325 horsepower, more than enough to move this full-size convertible with authority. It's paired with a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifts and solid cruising capability. On the road, the Sport Fury offers a surprisingly comfortable ride for a car this big, thanks to torsion bar front suspension and a well-tuned rear leaf spring setup. Braking is handled by front discs or drums, depending on the option package, and let's not forget that V8 rumble. It's pure Detroit music. The 1967 Plymouth Sport Fury Convertible is a perfect example of when American cars were built with style, power, and personality. Performance. It's got the looks, the comfort, and the performance to stand out, even over 50 years later. Whether you're a Mopar fan, a convertible lover, or just someone who appreciates classic American iron, the Sport Fury delivers a driving experience that's hard to beat. With rising interest in late 60s full-size convertibles, the 67 Sport Fury is not just a cruiser, it's an investment in automotive heritage. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1967 Plymouth Sport Fury, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more classic car content. Got a favorite Fury memory? Drop it in the comments below.